In a recent broadcast, the People's Liberation Army of China demonstrated its adoption of advanced first-person view (FPV) drones in combat, showcasing its commitment to integrating cutting-edge technology and tactics inspired by modern warfare trends. The PLA's exercises prominently featured FPV drones and other unmanned systems, reflecting a careful analysis of lessons learned from the ongoing war in Ukraine, where drone warfare has dramatically changed battlefield strategies. The footage revealed that the PLA is now deploying FPV drones equipped with grenades and artillery munitions. These drones are controlled using sophisticated 3D view systems, providing an immersive first-person perspective. This allows operators to achieve high precision in targeting and maintain situational awareness, making real-time adjustments to optimize their strikes. The ability to deploy these drones for moving combat vehicles also emphasizes the PLA's ability to integrate unmanned systems into mobile operations, similar to tactics seen in Ukraine. In Ukraine, FPV drones have become vital tools for reconnaissance and precision strikes, neutralizing high-value targets and delivering explosives to enemy fortifications. The PLA's recent drills suggest that China aims to use these drones in similar roles, both offensively and defensively, demonstrating their versatility on the modern battlefield. China's advancements in drone technology extend beyond FPV drones. The PLA has introduced loitering munitions, or kamikaze drones, which combine surveillance and strike capabilities. One example is the ASN-301, designed to suppress enemy air defenses and conduct precision attacks. This system, like others in China's arsenal, reflects a focus on creating cost-effective, versatile unmanned systems. Additionally, China has unveiled the XS-101, a portable loitering munition similar to the U.S. Switchblade 300. Designed for infantry use, it is well suited for operations in challenging environments. With production ramping up for nearly 1 million units by 2026, China is positioning itself to maintain a significant stockpile of low-cost, high-impact unmanned systems. Another key development is the Feihong FH-97A, an AI-powered combat drone designed as a loyal wingman for manned aircraft. This drone can carry air-to-air missiles and loitering munitions, operating autonomously in high-threat environments while coordinating seamlessly with human pilots. China's drone technology evolution highlights the PLA's commitment to modernizing its military. By integrating unmanned systems, loitering munitions, and AI technologies, China is positioning itself as a leader in unmanned warfare. The PLA's focus on these advancements signals its intention to dominate future combat scenarios, reshaping military strategies around the world. By learning from the ongoing conflict in Ukraine, China is preparing for an era of warfare defined by precision, mobility, and automation. These advancements are not just about technology, they represent a strategic shift that could redefine how future wars are fought, with drones playing a pivotal role in determining outcomes. As the PLA continues to develop and refine its drone capabilities, it is setting the stage for a new age of warfare that will influence global military doctrines for years to come.